It's rolling.
All right. All right. You ready, Connie? You ready?
This is wrestling.
Did you get the laugh?
Yeah. Is that so funny?
Let's do it one more time. Love the laughter when you laugh.
Look at his belly. Who's got a belly?
Here I come. Here I come.
Hi, Conlon.
Okay, we'll do this move.
Who's so beautiful.
We'll do this move. Watch, he'll tuck his head into my knees. I think, yeah.
The tongue comes out. What's with the tucking the head in? Is it for safety?
I don't know.
So he doesn't need a helmet? My mom's going to make me wear a helmet. I'm having too much fun to not have to wear a helmet.
Boop. Boop. Boop.
Hi, beautiful. Hi. What are you looking at?
Oh, this is a new one that I did the other day. Boo! 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 Boo!
That tongue.
Oh, someone's getting tired, isn't he? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Oh, maybe you figured it out, but that's too steep for you. He's so tired he can barely move.